Now cut.
What do you do at the top?
Throw it away.
You can actually plant it.
Oh, but you're saying there's no good pineapple in there?
Nah.
Well, there might be a little.
Yeah, you could scrape a little out, but
There's not that much. Yeah, so you probably. Well, you could eat one of these every single day.
okay, remember to push.
Does it take a lot of effort?
Yes. You make it look easy. I don't think I can do that. I do.
Okay, that should be the bottom.
So what do we do?
Pull. Hard. Pull it. Pull it hard. Keep going.
It's almost like a plunger.
There it goes. It's starting to go. A little more. There you go.
God.
That's got it.
It's too much, huh?
Whee.
Now you take the
Oh,
top off.
some of those things are falling apart.
You take the top off, and you just slide it into the bin.
Okay, but it's still like, it's kind of like onion rings, though.
Yeah.
Like a blooming onion. Not a blooming onion, that's the wrong kind.
Did you want a piece of pineapple?
Yeah, I'll have some.
You gotta show Dad. Dad would like that.
And that's how you do the pineapple.